To edit animation video in Canva, let's come over to template here and find an animation video we want to work with. I'm going to search for rolling credits and enter that. I'm going to select this first template here. I'm going to click on it and you will see here customize this template. Now this template is open. What I want you to do is to pull up the timeline for you to understand what is going on. So the most important part is this text part. You want to click on it and I'm going to double tap and Control A all the text in here. And I'm going to paste in my own text. Let me bring this out. I'm just going to click into here to give it that illusion sort of that it had before, that nothing was going on. And I will enter until I take it away from the screen. So now when we preview, let's take this playhead to the beginning. And when you preview, you will see your animation video begin to play. It's as easy as that. Once you're happy with your design, you want to click on share here and click on download. It's an MP4 and you want to download this into your device.